KATC Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
This afternoon, we began to have some scattered showers and storms working their way across Acadiana, and that might have interrupted some of the tailgating for the football games. But the good news was the rain did come to an end around 5 o'clock, so there was no issues for the UL game at 6 o'clock or the LSU game. But now as you go into your Sunday, if you're trying to maybe get the grass cut or just doing some outdoor errands, it looks like you're going to want to get that done in the morning, as we are going to have another about 50-60% chance for those scattered showers and storms to fire up once again during the afternoon. Taking a look across the big picture on the satellite and radar, we can see the reason for all the rain and moisture, and it's because of a stationary front that is set up from the Ohio Valley down into the Missouri Valley back through Arkansas, with the main area of low pressure back over here towards the Dallas area, dropping another front along down towards Houston and then into the southern portion of Texas. Out ahead of that, we get that south-southeasterly flow pulling more Gulf of Mexico moisture up and across the area, starting to fire off those showers and storms during the afternoon. You can see for the most part it is quieting down now as we push into the evening, but this system is not going to really move a whole lot, so it's going to give us the chance for more rain and storms tomorrow afternoon and then even into the first half of the upcoming work week. You can see locally we had those scattered showers and storms this afternoon, but for the most part the evening has been dry. We have kept the clouds with us throughout most of the evening, and they will be with us through the overnight hours, and that's going to keep the temperatures relatively steady. But you do see some light rain out to the west, so I wouldn't completely rule out maybe a stray drizzle or sprinkle through the overnight, but for the most part we will be staying dry. 76 is what we got right now at the Lafayette Regional Airport. That's what our dew point is sitting at as well, so you can see humidity as at 100%, and that's going to give us that possibility for maybe that stray sprinkle or drizzle through the evening, but it is also going to continue to keep it very muggy through the overnight and help to keep things rather humid for our Sunday. So through the short term we stay dry, but you can see quickly by tomorrow afternoon beginning to get those scattered showers and storms to work their way in. Again, they'll be starting down from the southwest and then be working towards the northeast across a good portion of Acadiana. So just kind of have that umbrella with you. It's not going to rain all day, but I do expect at least a passing shower at some time tomorrow afternoon for most of Acadiana. And going into our work week, similar story. Starting off dry, so no issues for the morning commute or heading off to school on Monday. But again, by the time you're picking the kids up in the afternoon or coming home from work, you will have that chance for a passing shower or storm. But you can see there will be enough breaks in between, so we're not looking at any real flooding issues with this. Just, you know, your typical downpour that might last 10-15 minutes and then the storm moves out of your area. In the tropics, things continue to be very active as we move now into the late September month. We have a little system here just to the south of Bermuda that we're keeping an eye on. Also have a swirl up here in the northern portion. And then we have a couple systems down in the lower portion. That's Tropical Depression 11 right there. And earlier this morning, we did get Tropical Storm KIRK, the form off the west coast of Africa. That is continuing its track. These systems have a 70% chance of development in the next 5 days, and all models do indicate this getting its act together. But the good news is this should stay out over the open waters throughout the next week, so no real issues, but it does look like it could be eventually Leslie in the future, and this system has about a 40% chance of development within the next 5 days. Models aren't real keen on that, but it could bring some more moisture to those hard-hit areas of the Carolinas, which is exactly what they don't need, but hopefully it won't be too bad in the coming days. But we'll take a closer look at KIRK. You can see winds at 40 miles per hour. It is moving quickly off to the west-northwest at 16, so it'll quickly race across the Atlantic and head towards the last Antilles Islands by about, I would say, next Thursday is when it's looking to be heading towards that area. That's when we'll have to start paying attention to it. Right now, it has it as a pretty weak tropical storm as it works its way through the islands and makes its way into the Caribbean. Once it gets into the Caribbean, that's when we'll have to kind of pay attention to it, because any system that does get in the Caribbean maybe could make its way into the Gulf. But the good news is models like Isaac continue to keep it on the southern track and keep it over towards Central America. But just something we'll be paying attention to within the next week or so. But in the short term, nothing to worry about. Tropical Depression 11 is the other system out there, but you can see wind shear is pretty much tearing it apart, and I expect by tomorrow afternoon for this system to pretty much die in that wind shear. As you can see, the National Hurricane Center doesn't have it much beyond tomorrow evening, so this system will be short-lived, and I expect expect by tomorrow night not to have that on the map anymore. 75 for the overnight low for your night. Warm and muggy. We'll keep the clouds with us, and again, maybe just a 10-20% chance for a stray shower or drizzle. For our Sunday, we'll call it a few peaks of morning sunshine, getting us hot and humid. 88 for the high, but eventually we will have that scattered chance of showers and storms. Again, could have some heavy downpours with some thunder and lightning, and maybe some gusty winds, but nothing severe, and very similar to what we saw today. And you can see, keep the rain chances high all the way throughout much of next week. Temperatures upper 80s, so you can just copy and paste the forecast for, I think, the next 5 to 6 days. It does look like by next weekend the rain chances might come down a little bit, but temperatures still staying very summer-like. So welcome to fall, but it's not going to feel that way.
Yeah, hopefully all the rain